Geek all the drink. Smoking on dank. Blue hunters fresh out the bank. I let that bitch keep the chain. She a foreign exchange. Put that little bitch in the game. Now that pussy got some fame. Stay drip on your bitch like the same. We pour out the paint. We shoot with us till we got aim. We got aim. Don't know what you think. All of my niggas got rank. Bust up and stay in they lane. Stay don't know how to maintain. They never go against the grain. My niggas gon' stay the same. My niggas gon' stay 100. We keep that shit in the huddle. First time I keep with my brothers. I cut that little piece of the puzzle. We stuck in the millions in order. I'm tryna move that shit called the border. And turn all our diamonds to water. We gotta do this shit for each other. That first house is going to my mama. I'm glad that I came out the jungle. I'm a beast in the street, feed my hunger. Eat them rats and I'm sitting in my stomach. Take me and flood out the country. The bitch see the kid in your bunkers. When my dick out, I let her sit on it.
7-0, and I'm back at y'all with another video. You feel me? With a new video. I'm back at y'all with a new video. And today, by the title, you can tell what I'm gonna be doing today. It's gonna be completely crazy. It's something that I never did in my life, which is a lot of things that I've done on this channel. You know what I mean? But today, as y'all can see, I'm gonna be installing my brand new forged carbon fiber spoiler for my G20 330i, and I'm gonna try my best to install it myself. It came with some 3M tape, and it came with some wipes to clean the back, the back of the car and all that. So I'm gonna try my best. So just stick with me, and we're gonna get this video done, man. And I know it's gonna look funny because I have no like lowering suspension. I got no. The car is basically sitting on stock height right now, so it's gonna look a little goofy with a spoiler on the back, just high as f. You know what I mean? But even with all that being said, I'm not stopping. I'm still gonna install it regardless. You feel me? So let me show y'all what I mean, y'all have seen that. Y'all already seen the unboxing in the beginning. I made that the night I got it. Well, the night it came in, and that was the next day. Well, so I made it yesterday night. But yeah, let's get into the video. Feel me? Well, shout out to SK Racing for sending me this. Well, actually, well, it's cool. I mess with it, so shout out to them. But I paid for it. It's not like they sent it to me for free. But yeah, they actually had to make it. It was like one of those ship to make things. So I had to wait while they made it. You feel me? What's it? When I clicked buy, I had to wait like 2 months for this to come in, bro. So I had this G20 for about 2 months now, almost going on 2 months. Yeah, just about. It came from China. It's from a place called SK Racing. So if you want to get one of these, go ahead and get one. The only reason I got one is because I haven't seen no 330i's or no M340s with these on at all. So I was like, let me just be the first guy to do it, and it might look a little stupid putting it on the 330i, but at the end of the day, it's my BMW, and I can do what I want with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned and see what it's. Like I said, it's a forged carbon fiber spoiler for a G20 M340i and a G20 330i. I haven't seen anybody else with this one, so that's why I got it. You feel me? Look at the details on this junk, bro. It's mad light, bro, because it's legit. This junk is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. And you can just see the quality on it, bro. You can see the quality on it. You feel me? Like, see the quality, bro. See the quality. Top of the line quality. I could have got like a typical like duckbill spoiler, like what every M3 got, what every BMW got. But I said, let me change it up, bro, and get something else, bro. I haven't seen nobody with this type of spoiler on at all. So I'm gonna see how it is in a second when I install it. Let me watch a couple videos because I don't even know how to do this shit. Like, one more time for the quality, bro. This junk is amazing. Like, this junk is amazing, bro. I'm sorry I'm not getting much good angles on this junk because, like, my tripod, I wish it was like more tall. It's kind of like it's tall enough for like a sitting down podcast type. Okay, that's besides the point, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, the quality, bro. It smells pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it smells pretty good. Okay, like I said, it came, well, I don't know if I said this, but it came with some China type 3M tape. I looked at the reviews, they said it's solid tape, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna see if it's solid tape or if I should go to like Home Depot and get the legit 3M tape. But either way, this junk gonna get on today. I'm sticking this junk on today. And then this is like adhesion promoter, bro. Like, I think I'm supposed to clean the back of it with this and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean the back. It's really messy right now, but I just washed it like a couple days ago. Like, not a couple days ago, probably like last week. But yeah, I probably need to wash the back before I do this. Hold up. This is the adhesion wipe. You feel me? You just wipe it. Where you gonna put the spoiler at? It came with two, so I'm using both of them. I don't know if I'm supposed to put this, if I'm supposed to wipe down the spoiler, or if I'm supposed to wipe down the trunk. I don't know. But we finna see today. Came with two. I probably shouldn't have used two of them right now, but just a little white. I doubt it was gonna make that much of a difference. The cheap 3M tape it came with. I'm finna watch a video on how to do this because I don't know how to do it like I said.
Spoiler? Alright, so it's not uncommon for a car to have spoiler has. So that if I ever need to come on and off the trunk as I'm working on it, I know exactly where it's gonna be.
Yeah?
Alright, now
Okay, the video I just watched. Sorry about the bad angles, I'm like trying to hold it. Said I gotta clean both the trunk and the spoiler. Make sure it has no dust particles on it. And all of that good stuff to make sure the adhesive sticks and whatnot. So just clean it to your best ability, like so. Okay, sorry about this bad angle, but they said depending on what type of spoiler I got is where I put the tape at, which is common sense. So I'm gonna have to put the tape all the way on the inside, but I have to miss this. It says please don't block the hole, please keep the hole open. Hey yo. But yeah, this spoiler has a groove at the bottom, as you can see where I'm pointing at, and I'm gonna put tape along this groove. Put tape all along the groove and on the outside, so like on this side, you feel me? So let me get into that. Okay, I got one side of the tape sticked on. I'm just pacing down the sides of the tape. Actually, I feel like that's too close to the end. Let me cut it so I don't fuck up this whole thing. Oh shit. Alright, boom, I just cut the ends on this one. Looking pretty smooth so far. Yeah, it's a little bit jagged, but other than that, in some places I feel like it will be okay because I'm gonna put more than one piece of tape on it. This junk came with enough tape for that, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Now I'm gonna tape the outside of the spoiler with the inside. This inside or outside part of the spoiler. Well, the inside, yeah, that's the inside. So stay tuned. You know, I had to sit down, I'm getting lazy. But yeah, I just taped the inside of the spoiler too. Looks pretty smooth. Just did that myself. Still gotta cut the tip or the end of it. feel like I should have took my time on the top half, but I feel like it'll be okay. So this tape is really sticky. I could have barely even get my hand off of the tape. Not gonna lie, I barely could have got my hand off the tape. But I'm finna take off the lid top, the top half of the, or the non-sticky part of the tape at the top, so it could finally stick on. But I'm not gonna do that yet until I push down the tape to make sure it's all sticked on. Okay, now I just got done pushing down the tape, making sure it stick down to the best ability that I'm trying to stick it down on. I don't know if I should tape this side going up. I don't know. Maybe I should. Matter of fact, I will. I am. So let me tape these two sides. I don't know why I didn't tape these two sides. I'm gonna tape those two sides and see how it looks. All right, boom. After a good 10 minutes, I taped every section that I wanted to tape. Had to double down on these sides because I feel like if anything, it would come off from the sides just because of the way it's made. And I watched the video, but I really just eyeballed it, bro. At some point in my life, bro, people are not gonna be able to explain everything to me. So I just took it upon myself to take a good educated guess on where exactly this tape should be. Now I'm finna peel off the lid top of the tape so it can finally stick onto the trunk. So stay tuned for that. Okay, now I'm about to peel off the top of the tape, if I can. Got this piece off. Just trying to dry, clean. Right? Hey, YouTube, this shit looks straight to you?
I think I do. I mean, I know y'all not angled, but you get the idea though.
Alright, well, I officially finished putting it on after triple guessing myself and taking it off a couple times, but the tape is so sticky, bro. I was just like, fuck it, bro. Let me just leave it how it is Let me not peel it up again, because I could barely get it up. Every time I try to peel it back up, it feels like I'm about to snap the carbon fiber in half. So I just said, you know what, it looks good the way it is right now. But y'all want to see the finished product? Check this out. I'm not gonna lie, now that's the definition of a DIY. Do it yourself, you feel me? Like, it was easy. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty easy. For the first time of installing one of these, it's pretty easy. It looks sick, bro. I love the way it looks. I just called my dad and I showed him, bro. He was like, why is it so big? Why is it so big? And I was just like, it does look huge. Like, compared to any other spoiler I've seen on like a BMW, it does look huge. And just to be on a 330i, but you know, I got a downpipe and tune coming. Not coming, but I didn't even buy it. But that's what I plan on doing with it. Downpipe and tune 330i. Probably go stage 2. But I'm just glad y'all gonna be with me on the way. Mirror caps done, did all this myself. Not the rotors and brake pads. I don't got no lift, I don't got no jack. But I don't know about the down. I don't know how to do no downpipe. But I'll do the tune though. You feel me? Probably gonna get boot mod. So stay tuned for all of that. I don't know when that's coming. Just know I got some good vlogs coming up that have nothing to do with none of the car content stuff I've been dropping. None of the BMW content has nothing to do with any BMW content that's coming up. But you know, I gotta keep everybody happy that's sub to me, so I'm dropping content that everybody messes with. But with that being said, bro, let me know how y'all feel about it. Like, I'm just so excited, bro. Like, this gun finally like speaks volumes. You feel me? Like, now it just don't look like no plain 330i. Gonna see how fast this junk gonna be and how cool it's gonna be. You feel me? So with that being said, sub to this channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead, click the thumbs up button and click the post notification bell so you can know when I drop a video or when I go live streaming. But with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.